Oh, I'm so angry. Hi everyone, the word of the day is rabia. Rabia. This means anger, rage, or rabies. Rabia is feminine, so you can say la rabia or una rabia. This word doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. ¿Por qué tienes tanta rabia? ¿Por qué tienes tanta rabia? Esa mujer está llena de rabia porque la despidieron de su trabajo. Esa mujer está llena de rabia porque la despidieron de su trabajo. Cuidado, ese perro tiene rabia. Cuidado, ese perro tiene rabia. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!